thank you. May it please the court. I would ask the court to set bond at the schedule amount for a felony of the 5th degree at $3,750. I'd ask that the court consider pursuant to Criminal Rule 46C that Ms. Brooks is currently on supervision for felony obstruction, I believe it was a felony of the 3rd degree, obstruction of official business or obstruction of justice, which isn't an offense against the administration of justice. And the fact that she was currently on supervision during the alleged commission of this offense would factor that bond would be appropriate. So I would ask the court fix bond at that schedule amount.
It is true that she was on supervision at the time, but it's for an unrelated type offense. I was not trial counsel in the previous matter, but it's my understanding she was somewhat of a minor player in a larger thing. We would anticipate the court, or we would anticipate the case would resolve in some manner, but we don't believe this is a kind of a go-to-prison type case, even if found guilty. I'd ask the court to consider a supervised OR. She's a lifelong resident of the area. She has a local address. She has 2 children, while adults. She's quite concerned for their well-being.
I don't know where in the event